Ready? Max, are you ready? You ready to see the redwoods?
Oh, is Max ready?
Where are they at? Where are they at?
We're at the Avenue of the Giants.
What?
Avenue? Huh?
Avenue.
Avenue. We're at the Avenue of the Giants.
The what?
Avenue.
Avenue?
We're at the land of the Giants Ave.
I need a rest.
Look at this. Oh my God. That's our next RV park.
How is that even possible?
You're so gorgeous from the side.
You're not allowed to get side views of me.
You're beautiful. Oh, look at that big old stump right there. Babe!
We're gonna turn around
Ah.
after you take it to the bathroom. There's a bathroom.
Big trees. Oh, it's not the biggest tree that we've seen, but it's not a small one.
We'll see a lot more.
Come on, Max.
Let's go.
Come on. Let's go see what Daddy's doing. Come on, Max. It didn't take you this long last time.
Look how we got up there.
I believe you were so young last time you just ran up here and jumped up. Yeah. Now you have to think about the best route.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold. Max is having fun hiking.
Once I get up there, how do I get down?
Jump.
You have insurance, right?
Yeah, but I don't know where there's a hospital at. Come on, Max. He made it! Yay!
You have your phone?
No.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You look like a real lumberjack.
You look really small down there.
You look really small up there. What can you see?
Woods?
No river?
Huh?
No river? Max is bored. He's eating ground cover. Ooh. Just run to the end and jump off. Faster. Max is coming to help you.
What are you doing, Max? Come on, buddy, let's go. Come on. Come on.
I wonder if Jake is enjoying his alone time in the warm,
Yeah.
in the warm camper.
He really didn't act like he wanted to come with us this morning.
No, it's too cold.